Hey you guys, I'm here with my centerpiece and I will be reusing this vase that I know everybody has saw, but this is what I'm using. I love this vase and it's perfect where I put it. So let's go ahead and get started. Pick yourself up some eggs, whatever color you want, whatever shape and size, and just mix it up, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and add some eggs, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add this little tube that I use just to put in the middle, you guys, so I don't run out of eggs. You can pick these up at your Dollar Tree. You can pick them up at Amazon and at Walmart. I did pick up a bag at Walmart, and then the rest I picked them up at Dollar Tree because I needed different sizes, you guys. So go ahead and pick them up and let's fill it up. Now, if you don't find the color you want, go ahead and paint them. I painted some of these eggs, as I painted the yellow, the blue, and the purple ones. So yeah, don't be afraid. Grab a little bit of paint. You could find it at your Walmart for very cheap, and just paint your Easter eggs the color you want them. And it's that simple, you guys. So if you don't like something, change it. So I did paint them pastel, as you can tell, and they came out beautiful. I did the purple, like I said, the green, and the yellow because I didn't have any yellow. Now these little mini eggs, I found them at Dollar Tree. Go ahead and pick some up because you do need it at the end to fill the top up so just nothing shows. Or you can just use the big eggs. It's really up to you, but they really helped me out. So go ahead and grab some of the small eggs and be very careful when you're working with glass. Don't pressure anything because you don't want it to rip on your hands, you guys. So just, gently add the eggs all the way around, no pressure, and fill up your container. You can pick any container, you guys. There's a ton out there at Dollar Tree. Go ahead and choose whatever you like that suits your decor needs. But yeah, and there's also at Walmart, so go ahead and check that out. All I'm doing is filling up the big eggs, adding a couple of the small eggs, and then filling them up with big eggs again. I'm going to do this all the way to the top of the container until I can't put any eggs anymore. But be super careful, you guys. And make sure you have your hot glue gun is running just in case you need it. But I didn't end up using it. But in case you need it, make sure it is running because you never know. But yeah, all I'm doing is stacking them up really nice and tight so nothing shows. I don't want the tube to show. This is a tube from like the toilet paper, or you can even use a tube from the towels. Whatever you like and whatever you have in your house is really good. You can also use styrofoam. You can use tissue. It's really optional and up to you. Everything really works with it. But all I'm doing is adding the eggs and making sure I don't have two of the same color. And if I do, it's fine. But I'm just moving everything around just so it's nice and colorful and everything is spread around. That's all I'm doing, you guys. You see how I'm just moving the eggs around just how I like them. Adding some of the little ones. And yeah, it looks really cute, you guys. Now this arrangement came out really huge, really whimsical, really pastel color, really out there, and I love it. The next thing I'll be adding is this little comb. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be adding this in the middle just so I could stick my floral in it. And it actually holds everything up very well, let me tell you. Everything looked well. Everything came out really pretty. Now, if you don't want your floral to be too high, all you have to do is cut the cone down and go ahead and fill it up again. It's really optional and it's really up to you. All I'm adding is the little eggs around it just so it hides the cone very well, and the eggs did an excellent job. So go ahead and do that and fill it all the way to the top. And look at how pretty it's already coming out, you guys. I love these pastel colors. These eggs are the same eggs that I used for my wreath. I'll link that down below, and I'll also link the video of where I picked them up down below. I have a couple of hauls. Go check that out as well, just so you can see what's out there before you make your centerpiece and you get an idea of what you can buy and what you can add to your centerpiece. I'm always making videos just to give you a heads up. I think that's perfect. I also do the same, you guys. I check out everybody's videos before I start shopping and getting ideas. That's just how it is. Make sure you give me a thumbs up so I make more of these videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, share this video with someone. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you like. I'll follow you back. The link is down below. Go ahead and press on it. It'll take you right to my Instagram. But look at how cute it's already coming out. I'm really happy I bought the little mini eggs because I really needed them, you guys. It hit some of the styrofoam at the top, which made me really happy. And it came out really pretty, you guys. Like super pretty. But yeah. Now the next step is I brought this cute diamond wrap, you guys, and look at it's all the Easter colors you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and use them. They're 9 feet, and I bought these at the Dollar Tree. So this is exactly what I'll be using, and I'm gonna put this in the middle of the vase, you guys, like a little bracelet, like a neck bracelet. And for this, I did use my glue gun, so I'm so happy it was running. And all I'm gonna do is take it around twice in the middle of the vase, each color, and just glue it under like a necklace. And it actually came out really pretty, you guys. Now a little tip is only do 2 colors because the third one will not show, because I did all 3 and the yellow did not show at all. So go ahead and do only 2. But look at how pretty it looks. That's all I did. I wrapped it around twice and like hot glued it with a little bit of hot glue, just enough so when I'm done putting it away, I can reuse it for another project. So make sure you do it long enough so you can reuse it for another project. All I did was measure the one I had before on there, and that's it. And it came out super cute and gorgeous, and it was enough string. So go ahead and you just hot glue it to the back and take it around twice only, you guys. You don't need any more than that twice. I don't do it too tight. I like it to hang on there because it looks more nicer. If it just hangs, then it's super tight, like a super tight necklace. I like it nice and loose. You'll see it right now. It's a very easy step that I made, and you'll see right now. Grab your hot glue gun, and all I'm gonna do is pre-cut them. I'm happy I used the purple. I really end up loving the purple on here and the blue. Both colors are adorable. I didn't have any pink, so I end up using all these 3 colors, and they went very well together, let me tell you. And the centerpiece came out really pretty and whimsical and huge, and I love it. But yeah. And then this is the blue. And let me tell you, the blue is so gorgeous, you guys. If you grab any color, pick up the blue because it is beautiful. And it looks better in person. The shine on that blue is just amazing. And this is my hot glue gun. I received it for my birthday. My hubby got it for me. And let me tell you, this hot glue gun is adorable. It does not burn you. It does not leak. And it does not get stuck. And yeah, I'm just looking at my vase, and my eggs are so cute, just finding where I want it to be, the end, and what I want to be, you know, the front of it. And the front of it, I want it to be where you can see the purple eggs, because I really love the purple and the blue one here, you guys. And all I'm doing is taking it around twice, nice and loose. I don't want it tight at all. And then all I'm gonna do is hot glue it in the back with a little bit of hot glue, and that's it. You see how loose it is? That's exactly how you want it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it around the base twice, you guys, so don't even worry about that. With a little bit of hot glue. So yeah, and it holds very well, let me tell you. And when you're ready to take it off, it takes off very well, and you can reuse it for another DIY project, which I'm really happy. And then look at the blue. It is so gorgeous. I am like in love with it. All you're gonna do sorry, is add a little bit of the hot glue and place it where you place the other one. Don't even worry, it's not gonna damage. If you feel it is, put it a little bit lower or higher. And nobody's going to see the back unless you put it in the middle of the table. And if you do, place it on the same spot just so it will notice. And then go around twice. And look at how gorgeous it is. Oh my God, I am in love with the blue. And then just hot glue it down. And it came out fabulous. Let me tell you, it is gorgeous. Put a little bit of hot glue and then seal it down. You see where I put it? It looks perfect already. Let's go ahead and use the purple, and I'm gonna make the purple a little bit more loose just so it stands out, because I don't like how the blue just covered the yellow. I actually wanted all three to stand out, but it just didn't work out that way. Now you can go ahead and put one color if that's what you want to use, but I actually wanted all three, and it came out so pretty. It just took its own life. And look at, I'm just gonna wrap it around, and I love it. Let me tell you, it came out gorgeous. Ay, ay, ay. It's so pretty. You guys, I'm really happy with it. It is so pretty. And look at it. Even like that, it is so pretty. And I love the way it just hangs. All I'm going to do is rearrange some of my eggs and ready to get started. Now with this, I'm going to add floral. I'm going to go ahead and add a sign that you guys already seen me make, that I made a DIY on. And the sign came out cute as well. And I'll be adding some Easter stuff and just a bunch of Easter stuff, and hopefully you guys like it. And I end up loving it, and my whole family loves it. So I picked up these little Easter floral bunches at the Dollar Tree, you guys. I should have picked up the other third color. I'm sad that I didn't, but don't worry. I'm going to go ahead and pick it up and just add it onto my arrangement. And this is the onion grass. And it comes with 3 of the cutest eggs. You guys, look at how cute they are. And they go perfect with all my colors, because I do have the purple, the blue, and the pink on there. So let me move my camera just a little bit so you guys could get the whole view. I'm going to go ahead and add the purple. And I'm going to add it all the way until you can't put it in no more. And look at how cute it stands out. Oh my God, I could have even just done all the purple or just all the blue on here. I'm happy I did all the colors though, because it's so pastel, it's so Easter, it's so spring. These are the colors that are in, you guys. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the next one. It's the pink one, and I'm so happy that I did pick it up. They also have the like beige, or what color is it? Like an orangey. And I didn't pick it up, and I wish I did. But look at how adorable it's already coming out, you guys. And I love how the foam just holds it up really nice. I'm going to go ahead and add the blue right next to that one. And all I'm doing right now is taking off that sticker they put on each of them. And just moving everything around so it's nice and spread out, you guys. You can even rearrange the eggs, and every stem will have a color egg. If that's what you choose to do, the eggs do pop out and you could just put them. All I'm doing is adding it all together, and it actually came out really pretty. And I am really happy with it, you guys. I'm like in love with it. It came out just how I wanted it. Look at how gorgeous it is. All 3 colors stand out, and everything looks so cute, you guys. If you want to make this lower, you can, but my whole thing was to make it big and wide. I picked up this onion grass, and this is just the grass as a filler. You can go ahead and add this at the bottom. You can add this in the middle, wherever you want. I just did not end up using it. I didn't think my arrangement needed it. But if yours does, go ahead and add it anywhere you want. You guys cut it down, make it taller, make it shorter. It's really up to you. I'm just showing you what I like and what I made. And yeah, look at how gorgeous those colors are. Those eggs are so pretty, you guys. Go ahead and pick them up at your Dollar Tree, because you know once this video is up, they're going to be gone. And I get a lot of stuff where, oh, Susie, I couldn't find it. That's why I tell you guys super early, so you can go out there and go buy some goodies. So if you see something you like, head to your Dollar Tree right now and get it, because it'll be gone soon and they won't put it again. Trust me, they're going to end up putting just whatever they have left over. Now, I know you saw this little sign I made and my arts and crafts little project, and I'm going to go ahead and add it, you guys, and it just says Easter, and they gave it that cute final touch, and it is adorable. You can go ahead and make this sign shorter, taller. It's really optional, but I love the way it came out. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right in the front of the arrangement, and it came out really pretty. And I'm really happy with my arrangement. It's so big and whimsical, and it's sitting in my living room. If you guys want me to make a little Easter tour of my house, just go ahead and comment down below and let me know, and I might do it. All I'm doing is switching off the letters because I didn't want to have the same color letters right next to each other, you guys. Now you can make your own. Everything is optional, but yeah, look at how cute it came out. You could put the letters more in and more out. It's really up to you how you want it. But look at, I love it. And it just spells out Easter. And it looks so gorgeous, you guys. It goes with the whole theme. All the letters match. And yeah, look at how cute it came out. And I'm so happy with it. Even like this, you can leave your arrangement and it look really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and add these little bunnies that I used in my wreath, because I wanted everything just to match and mesh well. And look at how cute these little bunnies are. You can put these little bunnies anywhere you want, you guys. You can make them shorter, you can make them taller. It's optional. It's really up to you. But I'm going to go ahead and add them right next to the grass. And I love how they're just sticking out, like if they're jumping out of my arrangement. And I also picked it up in the purple, the blue, and the pink. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add them. And they came out so cute. And I'm so happy I did add them and pick them up, you guys. They made the arrangement just the way I wanted it. And it came out perfect. And there you go. Look at how adorable they are. They look like they're coming out of the grass. Now you can go ahead and fill in the little bottom. Just add some eggs, you guys. Add anything you have left over just to fill in the bottom. You can add some tissue. You can add more of the grass if you want to. Go ahead and cut it up and add it. But I decided to go ahead and add the little eggs because you can't see it anyways where I put my arrangement. You can't see that piece. So all I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and fill it up with eggs and the baby eggs and just hide everything very well. And it worked out perfect, you guys. And this arrangement is sitting right now, I'm sorry about that, in my living room, and it looks fabulous. Let me tell you, when people walk into my home, they automatically love it and say, where did I buy it? And I love the fact that I did not buy it, I made it, and it looks gorgeous, and I'm ready. Go ahead and make your own centerpiece. Tag me on it if you want to. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are here. I have more projects and it helps me out. So give me a thumbs up, you know. Why not? If you watch the video, you might as well give me a thumbs up. It's only the common thing to do, you guys. Don't be rude. I'm just playing. And to all my subscribers that are always here, hey, you guys. And to my new subscribers, hey, you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my little Easter centerpiece just so you get an idea of what's out there, what you can make on your own, how you can make it. Mine came out gorgeous. I'm so happy with it. You know, I always say go big or go home. And yeah, you add the grass if you want in the bottom. Look how cute that would look. I just didn't want to add it, but you can add it if you want to. You can add more floral. You can add more of the bunnies. You could just do all the bunnies and your own Easter eggs on there. You know, you could do it without the sign. You could do it with a sign. It's optional. But yeah, I'm really happy how it came out, you guys. I am in love with it. And I just had to share it with you. Now, I also made a wreath. Go ahead and check that out. I'll link it down below, so you guys could go and check it out. And this is the final look. Look at how gorgeous it is, you guys. And until next time, bye, you guys.